after being granted bail yesterday. What do you know as per now?
What I know is what Ugandans know. We are not new to this on charges of such a nature. It is common knowledge that people oftentimes have gotten so far such instances, 3 matters I think, where have obtained bail and people have been rearrested. The difference is this one, there was a day lag in between. So it's a policy of the regime that people on some offenses should never be released. So that did not surprise me that it came. And no one should tag this probably just on statements like I've heard some of them state. I know for a fact, like the judicial officers have expressed, judges are not independent. I know for a fact that someone made a statement that even after we were granted bail, some people with the power were not happy with the decision. That I know for a fact. But what happened today, it is true. He was abducted. He was coming for a meeting actually with the lawyers in Kampala. He was supposed to meet earlier in the day, but you know, it is a constituency where people kept him there. He went for Juma prayers, and on his way we were talking. Along the way, I received a call from his sister. She told me now the meeting will not happen because the person has been abducted. I talked to the person who was with him in the car because the sister had just been informed. This was confirmed somewhere towards 4 at a given checkpoint of sorts, a roadblock. He was intercepted, and everyone now knows that the similar style, kangaroo style, like I said, there is the law. Someone can be arrested, granted. There may be an offense, you can be rearrested. That is a given under the law, if there are other lawful charges, but procedure and process. So, whereas there is the law and process, and even the might, the Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi will all know, just like the Honorable Lukwago, these are persons you will summon and they will come. And they are known for that, especially those who have worked with them, because they have been in your position, but anyone will tell you, this is a person you would have even summoned and come. But the kangaroo style under which things are being done, what is the intention? The intention is to intimidate us. The problem is the lack of the rule of law. We have the laws, but they are not applied. So we have that state, like you had in other messages and concerns that were raised when you in between on whether the rule of law applies on bail and other issues. It does not apply, like we stated earlier. Similarly, the style under which he was abducted, it is very clear. It was because someone is unhappy that he was granted bail in a matter where the state thinks is grave. How grave is a matter where you do not have even an iota of evidence? I'm not going beyond my boundaries if I told you so, because that is a fact that I can speak to, even as a lawyer, without going to the merits. As lawyers here, you know, the other one said for him is a peasant or farmer. But he said
it's something else.
No, he always says that. So as we are here, we have a duty. I don't think any of us will say that something which is against the Constitution can be protected. But sometimes I find difficult, my colleagues here, even when they are lawyers, that you can even defend a position of an outfit PLU. That you can even defend, you know, outfits are now. No, I've seen lawyers, I've debated with the lawyers, and a position of an outfit, which is not even provided for under the law, at least protect the position. So everything is upside down. It is a state which is dysfunctional in as far as the rule of law is concerned, and that is the problem. It is institutional. It is not, and we have to fight it from the top. Institutions don't work. They may be there, but they may be used for the wrong reasons.
All right. Let's hear from you, Honorable, very quickly. This is a discussion about how people are actually arrested. It's almost connected to what we had in our first discussion. But let's hear your thoughts very quickly.
I think I have said it before. I always restrain myself when my brother says, if you hear him speak, he says for a fact that he knows. Now, when I don't have the facts, in my case.
You don't know.
Ethics and professional responsibility.
You
bar
restrain
me
yourself.
from making statement because I could.
When you hear him using the word abduction, you know, it has become a common word.
If he has the facts that those are abduction, that's his opinion, and he's entitled to his opinion. But somebody being rearrested could also be a possible. But he says he has the facts. I know that the mere fact that you could have been released and you again arrested on other charges could be possible, but I do not have those facts, and so I can't say that what he's saying is
It's
the
factual.
case, but he says he has the fact. I can't say that is the case, so I won't join him in saying that is an abduction, but that is his opinion, and he's entitled based on the information that he has, which I'm not privy to.
All
Thank
right,
you.
all right. Honorable Mlumba, let's hear your thoughts on this.
Thank you very much, Anderson. What I can say, arresting people is provided for, and anybody can be arrested, anybody can be rearrested. What I want to say, I cannot say why he was arrested, because actually I don't know, just like Mahmoud was saying. But I believe what is good, he was arrested during broad daylight, and we believe he's going to be taken to court, and the public is going to be made aware why he was arrested. What I can say, and I want to say, is to call on the people who arrested him to make sure that he's arraigned in court as soon as possible. Because now when you're arrested on Friday, at times it's a problem. The 48-hour rule may be a problem. But maybe they should take him to court by Monday. And other things is speculation.
All right.
We really don't know. It
All
is
right.
speculation.
All right.
Until somebody tells us that they've arrested him because of ABCD.
All right.